Puffer fish hydrangea, frequently asked questions. Hi there, Furbu here. As a plant enthusiast, I constantly get questions about the captivating puffer fish hydrangea. This stunning shrub boasts a unique charm, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about planting, care, and everything in between. What is a puffer fish hydrangea? The puffer fish hydrangea, Hydrangea paniculata puffer fish, is a deciduous shrub belonging to the hydrangea family. It's known for its spectacular, large, fluffy white blooms that resemble a puffer fish, hence the name. These captivating flowers emerge midsummer, gradually transforming into shades of pink and light green as the season progresses. What are the key features of the puffer fish hydrangea? Blooms, the star of the show. Large, puffy white blooms that age into shades of pink and light green. Size. This manageable shrub matures at 3 to 5 feet tall and wide, making it perfect for various garden layouts. Habit. The puffer fish hydrangea boasts a mounded growth habit, adding a touch of elegance to your landscape. Blooming. This beauty blooms on new growth, offering a vibrant display from midsummer to fall. Drought tolerance. Once established, the puffer fish hydrangea showcases surprising drought tolerance, making it a low-maintenance option. Versatility. The blooms are perfect for cutting and drying, extending their beauty even after the season ends. Where can I plant a puffer fish hydrangea? This versatile shrub thrives in both full sun and part shade. For optimal growth, aim for at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. What kind of soil does the puffer fish hydrangea prefer? The puffer fish hydrangea flourishes in moderate to moist, well-drained soil. Amending your soil with organic matter before planting can improve drainage and nutrient availability. How do I care for a puffer fish hydrangea? Here's a quick guide to keeping your puffer fish hydrangea happy. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Aim for the soil to stay consistently moist, but avoid waterlogging. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to encourage healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Pruning. Prune lightly in late fall or early spring to maintain shape and remove dead or damaged branches. You can also deadhead spent blooms to promote continued flowering. Is the puffer fish hydrangea winter hardy? Excellent news. The puffer fish hydrangea boasts impressive winter hardiness, thriving in USDA zones 3 to 8. With proper care, it can withstand harsh winters without any problems. Where can I buy a puffer fish hydrangea? These beauties are becoming increasingly popular. You can find them at your local nursery or garden center. Alternatively, several online retailers offer puffer fish hydrangeas for purchase. What are some common problems with puffer fish hydrangeas? While generally low maintenance, puffer fish hydrangeas can encounter a few issues. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as white powdery spots on leaves. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent it. Aphids. These tiny insects can suck the sap from your plant. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control them. Leaf scorch. This occurs due to excessive sunlight or underwatering. Ensure proper watering and consider providing afternoon shade if your plant receives intense sunlight. Can I change the flower color of my puffer fish hydrangea? Unfortunately, the flower color of the puffer fish hydrangea is predetermined and cannot be manipulated. However, the shades they transition into, pink and light green, add a delightful touch of variety. Conclusion. The puffer fish hydrangea is a captivating addition to any garden. Its stunning blooms, manageable size, and easy care requirements make it a popular choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. With proper care, this delightful shrub will reward you with a season-long display of beauty.